In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to use your mobile phone to create your own educational videos. Our mobile phones nowadays are so powerful that you do not need expensive equipment to start creating your videos. Let's see step by step how you can go through the process of your own videos. Step number 1. Before filming any video, first you need to prepare the content. This will save you a ton of time because if you do not know what you want to say in a video, it's very hard to do it all at the same time. So prepare yourself either with bullet points or with writing down what it is that you want to say in that video. Just a little bit of planning beforehand will save you a lot of time. Step number 2 is to select a suitable location for your filming. A suitable location, first of all, is one that is quiet, that there is not a lot of background noise. And also, depending on the content of your video, pick up a background that matches your content. For example, if I'm a fitness coach and I'm about to create a video with push-ups, I will not stand in front of my kitchen. Or if I am a chef and I'm about to show you a new recipe, I will not stand in the middle of the gym and show you how I cook, right? So it is very important that our background matches our content. You can find a lot of ideas on how you can create a background for your videos by checking this specific video tutorial. Step number 3 is to decide if you're going to use the front-facing or the back camera of your mobile phone. Depending on the model of your phone, some phones have a better camera in the back compared to the front one. I suggest that you make a test and see which image has a better quality on your specific phone. Step number 4, and you might find this trivial, but it's not. It's important to clean your camera lens before you start filming. You might have fingerprints, dust, even sometimes makeup on the lens, and this decreases the quality of the image. So just with that simple step, cleaning the lens before filming can make a big difference to your final video. Step number 5 is to position your camera for filming. It's very important that you do not hold your mobile phone with your hands because it creates a shaky image and it's very tiring for your students to watch a video that is shaky. So make sure you use a tripod, and you do not need to buy a tripod. You can find a simple solution by using books, shoe boxes, and some toilet paper roll to hold up your phone. You can find all details about basic equipment that you can use to get started with video on this separate tutorial. Step number 6 is to connect your microphone. It is important to use a microphone because the audio that comes from your mobile phone picks up also a lot of noises, background noises, and the end result is not that good. So I would suggest that you invest some money into getting a good microphone for your phone. A good microphone option for your mobile phone is a Lavalier microphone, and is the one that I'm using here to shoot this video. There is a detailed video tutorial on how to improve the sound of your videos. You can check it out afterwards. Step number 7 is to set up your lighting. Lighting is very important in a video. For example, look at the left image where I'm standing in front of a window, and look at the image on the right where I stand in a room without enough light. It is really decreasing the quality of the image. And you do not need to go and invest in lighting. You can just stand in front of a window. The daylight is very good in order to film your videos. If you want to know more about how to light your videos, you can check this specific video tutorial we made for you. Step number 8, adjust your phone settings for filming. First of all, make sure you have enough storage space on your phone, and if you do not, make sure you delete some files in order to create space on your phone. Second, check your battery. If you do not have enough battery, make sure you charge your phone before filming. And third one, put your phone on airplane mode. When you're on airplane mode, you do not get distracted by notifications or phone calls. Now, regarding the camera settings, pick up resolution 4K if it is available on your phone, or 1080 Full HD image. That's the best quality you can have on your phone. If you want to film horizontally, like in a YouTube video, make sure that your aspect ratio is 16:9. And before starting filming, make sure that you lock your focus and your exposure on your mobile phone so that it doesn't change when you move in the image. Step number 9 is to record a test video for 10-15 seconds just to make sure that your audio sounds properly, that your background is nice, that your image is okay before filming the final video. And finally, step number 10 is to hit record and start recording your video on your mobile phone. Remember to keep an eye contact with the camera. Sometimes we get distracted and we look at ourselves, but we do want to create an eye contact with our audience, so make sure that you always look at the lens. Good luck with your video and see you on the next tutorial. Bye!